So I already put my lipstick on for today, but I am going to tell you what I used because I think it came out pretty good. So this is upside down. This is from Sephora. This is a lip liner. Now, when we picked it up, because yes, I did have the sales lady helping me, I thought it was going to be more pink, but it's actually a lot more purple. This color is Bellflower. And I'm just going to swatch for you. So you can see it is a lot more of a purple. But it goes on really nice. I mean, not the smoothest in the world, but still really good. An inch. So I put Bellflower on. And then I put on another Sephora product. This is, oh dear, I can read the numbers to you, 9176A. I'll look it up and I'll write below what it is. But y'all, it's kind of like one of those melty ones, and it's pink. It's so pretty. Hang on, let me see if I can do this. Look at that. So it really popped this color into this color, blended in together. Yeah, See what I mean? And then on top of that, I did blot it. On top of that, because yes, I am a layering girl, I put the gloss. I love Jeffree Starr's The Gloss. This stuff is awesome. This one is Succulent. And oh my goodness, isn't she? Isn't she? Ooh, succulent. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Jeffree Starr, you're amazing. I have 3 different colors of this, and I want more. All right, so let me know what you think of these colors in today's lip. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.